I'm going to show you how to use the table. You have the one base over here, and when the sofa goes out, you have another base over here.
Okay.
Let me show you. We're going to switch spots.
여기 화이트 여기 이쪽에 You don't see it.
Yeah. Come and take a look. Over here, you have the stand. Here. And you have the table. When you're on the road, please make sure that it is strapped down properly. Otherwise, it will climb all over the place. Okay, and this sits on top of this. Right now, it will not sit. Okay, when this setting on this side is for the breakfast, and lunch and dinner table you can put over there. Okay. Most people do that, but it's up to you. You can do anything.
This one can move.
Yeah, let me show you how to turn these seats. These seats turn around after you.